In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay a second asset on a TradingView chart on iPhone. If you've ever wanted to compare two markets side by side, like a stock versus an index or Bitcoin versus Ethereum, overlaying a second asset lets you see how they move together on the same chart, making patterns and correlations easier to spot. Start by opening the TradingView app on your iPhone. Make sure you're connected to the internet and, if possible, running the latest version of the app for the smoothest experience. Once the app loads, you'll land on your home screen or watch list. From here, you want to move to your chart. Look along the bottom of the screen and tap the chart option. This opens the main chart view for whatever symbol you last had open. If you don't see the asset you want as your base chart, that's fine. You can still add a comparison symbol in a moment. The key is that you're now in the full chart interface where all the tools are available. Next, look for the three dots icon, usually in the upper right corner of the chart. Tap that to open the menu. In the Tools section, select Compare. The Compare feature is specifically designed to add another symbol to the current chart. It's perfect for visual comparisons because it overlays the second asset's price action directly on top of your primary chart, often using a contrasting color so you can tell them apart at a glance. A search bar will appear. Type the name or ticker of the second asset you want to overlay. As results populate, take a moment to choose the correct market or exchange so you're comparing the right instrument. This is especially important for assets that trade on multiple exchanges or have different variants. When you see the asset you want, tap it to add it to the chart. Instantly, the second asset will appear overlaid on top of your first chart. You'll notice it in a different color, and depending on your TradingView settings, it may display on the same scale or as a percentage comparison, helping you quickly assess relative performance. You can pinch to zoom, drag to pan, and observe how the two assets move together or diverge over time. That's all there is to it. You've opened TradingView, navigated to your chart, used the three dots menu to access Compare, searched for your second asset, and added it to create a clean overlay. Practice this with a few pairs from your watch list, and you'll start spotting relationships you might have missed before.